flash fire. Superheats the air, burns the lungs like rice paper.
Hey guys, down here, down here.
What do you got?
Down this corridor is the bow of the ship, right? There's an access hatch right there that puts us into the bow thruster room. We get into the propeller tubes, and the only thing between us and the outside is nothing.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. That's our way out. All the way to the end and up the hatch.
Wait a minute. Bow's underwater.
What does that mean?
The thrusters are under there.
How far? Maybe we can swim.
No, it's too far.
There's something else we can do, right? What do you think?
Hey. All right. All right, we gotta get back up to high ground. We're gonna find another way out of here. Break into twos. Everybody start looking for an emergency exit. Any exit. Let's go.